Going to give you the 5 different ways I make money as an artist, starting with the least profitable to the most profitable. So be sure to stick around till the end of the video so you can hear the best way I found out to make money off of my art. Let's get right into it. A short disclaimer before we get into this. I'm not doing art full time, but that is the goal. I'm working towards it and slowly growing day by day. So the first way I've started profiting off of my art, and surprisingly the least profitable, has been selling stuff online. So one of the first things I did was start an Etsy shop and post original art as well as prints and stickers I have for sale. There's 2 main factors that will help you be successful on Etsy. First off, obviously, if you have a large audience yourself, you'll be able to sell directly to all of them. Now, secondly, Etsy is similar to these social media apps where they use an algorithm to push out different products to their customers. Because they want Etsy to be as good as it can, they're going to push out the best products that they have. So the more products you sell, the more reviews you get, the more Etsy is going to push your products out and you can make sales that way. So you don't need a large audience to sell on Etsy, but you need a few sales to start off in order to start gaining momentum and having Etsy promote your stuff on their site. I found this to be quite difficult. Without having a large audience myself, it's really hard to market and get people to buy your products when no one knows about your stuff. However, I have made a few sales and it started to slowly grow. So I'm sticking to it and seeing where that goes. Now, this being said, I think Etsy is a great place to start because all you need is your phone and you can start taking pictures of your work and posting it online and trying to sell it. And I think there's just a lot you can learn from this. Now let's move on to the second way I've profited off of my art. The second thing I've done is going to different art shows and festivals and selling my art directly to customers. Now, even though these shows are marketed as art shows and targeted to people who are interested in art, I've still found this to be quite a hard way to make good money off of your art. But as with Etsy, I think this is also a great way to start because these shows are happening all the time, all over the world, all over the states, in every city, and they're fairly easy to get into. A great show I've found is Pancakes and Booze. They travel all throughout the US to all the main cities and all the main states. So they'll be coming to a city near you every few months. All you gotta do is submit a few pieces to them and I'm sure they'll accept you into their next show. The one thing I found with trying to sell at these shows is it's full of artists all trying to sell their work. And let's go back to basic economy, supply and demand. There's a ton of supply of all this amazing work. You know, everyone else there is your competitor, so it does make it really hard for your work to stand out. That being said, it's an amazing place to network and meet some really cool artists and some cool people and get your name out. So I think it's a great way to start out. However, as I've moved on, I've started to slow down on the different art shows I've gone to. I feel the problem with these is you have to be there in order to sell your art. So you're trading a lot of your time in order to sell your art. And in terms of making money off of your art, I found it to be just too difficult for the reward. So that takes us to the third way I've made money off of my art. And this is through displaying my art at local galleries and shops. Now, this has been one of the better ways I've found to make money off of my art. And with this, I'm able to hang my art up in a shop and leave it there. I don't have to be there constantly trying to sell my art. So I get a lot more time back and I'm able to create more because of this. Another cool thing about this is with having your art up all the time, you're able to learn more about selling your art. You're able to learn what sells and what doesn't sell in these certain locations. You're able to shift things around and figure out whether original art sells better or stickers sell better or what specific stickers sell better. It's really helped me develop how to display and sell my art. With that being said, one big thing I've learned is it's a lot easier to sell reprints of my art as opposed to original works. Now, I always hang up my original works and have them for sale. The problem with that is you put all this time into one piece and you're only able to make one sale off of that one piece that you put all this time into. So what I found is repurposing it into prints and stickers is much more beneficial for trying to make some money off of your art. Stickers have become very popular and they're extremely easy to make. For the past few years, I've been getting all my stickers done from this company, Sticker Mule. They're online, you send them your image, and they print out some amazing quality stickers for you. So I highly recommend checking them out. I'm not sponsored by them, I just really support them and the work they do. And as well as stickers, I'm making prints from my art. I use this company, Dope Custom Prints, and the quality is absolutely amazing. He scans my work and prints it on this museum quality looking paper and it's just fantastic. They honestly come out looking just about as close to the original paintings as you can get them. And with selling stickers and prints, I'm able to take this original art piece and turn it into as many different stickers and prints as I want and sell them as many times as I want. I'm also able to sell them at a lot lower cost which allows more people to buy my art and spread around a lot more. With all that being said, selling stickers and prints of my art in local shops is by far one of my favorite ways to make money off of my art. Now let's move into the third way I make money off of my art. The third thing I've done is started up a Patreon online. And this has been an amazing way for me to not only make money, but make consistent money. With Patreon, you set up a monthly subscription and you can offer whatever you want. Whether it's more access to you, more access to your content, you can mail different packages, prizes, whatever. So I've started doing monthly sticker packs and monthly prints of my original art. And this has been awesome because once I get that customer, it's not a one-time deal. They're gonna keep paying month after month for new original art of mine. Because I know with these creative endeavors, one of the biggest problems of mine has been consistently getting money. You know, I can make a sale in these shops, but once that sale happens, it's over, it's done. I got that money, they got their art, we move on our separate ways. With Patreon, each month I know I'm gonna get money from all my members who subscribe to me. Now the one thing with this is, it's similar to Etsy where you do have to build that following in order to get people to subscribe. People aren't just going to subscribe to you for no reason, you know, they have to know you and want your art. So that is the one big caveat with this, but once you can start getting some people who are going to support you, it's an excellent way to make some money off of your art. Okay, so let's move into the fifth and final way I make money off of my art. This has by far been the biggest way I've profited off of my art, and that's doing freelance graphic design online. However, this isn't your typical art I'm doing. You know, I'm not doing paintings. I'm on my computer making logos and album art. It's a skill you have to develop. But once you develop this skill, there's a lot of people out there creating small businesses, companies, or whether they're just trying to brand themselves, they need a visual identity. And as an artist, I found this is a great way for me to use my creativity to not only profit off of it, but to help others out. And this probably isn't for everyone, you know, this is a specific skill, like I said, but if it's something you're interested in and willing to develop the skill set, by far this has been one of the best ways I've been able to profit as an artist. You guys, I hope this helps. You guys should try some of these out. Let me know what you think. If there's some other ways you guys profit off of your art, leave it in the comments below. I would love to know. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Amen.